Michael Devidure, Assistant Professor, Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So today we are seeing about the topic is planning and the geometric design of tunnels. So the topic is a topographical survey. So topographical survey is nothing but maps, plans and profiles should be developed to establish primary control. So accurate topography mapping is also required to support surface geology mapping. So some of the principal surveys or techniques are including here. So that principles are called as a conventional survey, then global positioning system, the we call as simply as a GPS, then electronic distance measuring, so we call as a EDM, then next remote sensing is without physical contact, so then laser scanning. So these are useful to finding out the topographical surveys. Then GPS, global positioning system. So this is mainly in the ground station to satellites. This is the main point, and determine the relative position. Okay, this is the main thing. Then next GPS surveying is a long range survey, then short range surveys. Then accuracy of GPS is dependent on the number of configurations, then elapsed time, then quality and types of GPS receiver. Then drawback is the limitations in areas then GPS antenna cannot establish. Then EDM means electronic distance measuring. So it is called as a digital theodolite with electronic microprocessor. Then EDM can be used for accurate surveys, so finding out the conventional survey techniques. Then EDM can be used for common surveying applications, then existing structure during tunneling operations. Remote sensing. So remote sensing nothing but effectively identify geologic formation, escarpments and surface reflection of faults, so buried stream beds and general soil and rock formations. Then remote sensing data can be easily obtained from the satellites. Images and aerial photographs include infrared and radar imagery. Then straight shot aerial photographs used for right-of-way surveys and road and bridge alignments. Then laser scanning utilizes the laser scanning technology to create 3D digital images of surfaces. So establish x, y, and z coordinates and that 1000 per second at the resolution of about 0.25 inch over a distance of measured that 150 feet. Laser scanning can be used to be quickly scan and digitally record existing slopes to determine the geometry of your visible and any features with the time. So in tunnel, laser scanning can effectively create the cross sections of very close spacing to documents with the existing tunnels, verify geometry and provide simple sections for newly constructed tunnels and to mentor tunnel deformations with the time. So simply used, the EDM is used for mainly some accurate surveys. Then EDM can be used for a common survey applications. Then existing structures during tunneling operations. Digital theodolite with electronic microprocessor. It's called a total station instrument which determines the distance to a remote prism targeted by measuring the time required for a laser or infrared light to be reflected back from the target. Then EDM can be used for a common surveying applications, but it is particularly useful for economically monitoring displacement and settlement with the time, such as monitoring the displacement and settlement of existing structure during tunneling operations. So remote sensing data can be easily obtained from the satellites. So images from NASA and aerial photographs, including infrared radar imagery from the USGS or satellite geologists, US Corps of Engineering, and commercial aerial mapping service organization. Straight aerial photographs used for right-of-way surveys and road and bridge alignments may also be available. Thank you.